This is Hammonasset State Park in Madison, Connecticut. It's a very important area of the world because it's part of the Atlantic flyway for migratory birds. It's not unusual to see many different types of birds: cormorant, blue herrings, ducks, osprey, because of the salt marsh, because of the varied terrain, the woodlands, the ocean, the variety of food available for birds flying over on their way to North America. They're very important. It's a feeding habitat. It's a place of refuge. It's a place where animals, particularly birds, can live and be free.